children, today we are going to start with chapter number 10, that is the world of growing knowledge. So, in this chapter, we will study about story of writing, कैसे वैसे writing develop हुई, story of number, the art of printing, story of paper, scripts, books for the blind, and the literacy and progress. So, here the warm-up is given. You have to name the given picture. Here some pictures are given. You have to give the names. So, journey of human. The journey of human race started as nomads and hunters, and the early human did not have knowledge to cultivate in the beginning. अगर हम beginning की बात करें, they do not have knowledge of cultivation, but they always observed happening around them and enabling themselves to cope up with the different situation. So the story of writing. So the long before men started to write, he began to draw. उन्होंने क्या करा? ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट करा. And the art of drawing and painting come much before art of writing. So what do they? Men drew pictures of animals which he come across. Such paintings are found even today and drawn on the walls of caves. So the earliest of the writing by men were pictorial in nature. कैसी थी? Pictorial थी. Right? So with experience and need, if we talk about, these pictures were simplified and become more symbolic. So the gradually, the pictures see what they become symbols. The sign for the words and then for various sound gradually gave birth to the alphabet. And with the process of time, what happened is gradually gave birth to the alphabet. Right? The earliest writing were found in Egypt and Mesopotamia, जो आपका कहाँ located है? West Asia में. And in Egypt, we can still find ancient tombs of the cave, which contain such pictorial script. In Mesopotamia, writing was done on the earthen tablet, जिसके sharp edges knife होती थी, उससे earthen pots पे करा जाता था. Apart from this, we have some similar pictorial script that were being taught and evolved elsewhere. So the script of China, Korea and Japan, ये किस पे based थी? Pictures पे based थी. An example of pictorial script, they are very difficult to read simple books in this language. So one must remember at least 10 to 12,000 of pictorial symbols must be seen at that time. Right? So in India, the old script was used during the Indus Valley civilization. ये आपको scenes पे देखने को मिलती है, right? And we have not yet be able to decipher the script, and then came to Brahmin script. Indian script were used today, and they were largely derived from the Brahmin script. So various scripts like Devanagari, ये किस पे based थे? Sound पे. Apart from Devanagari, we also use Urdu, Arabic, Persian script, right? So the story of number, like the script, numbers are also date back from some olden times. Men as a hunter are not only wanted to identify the animals for their names, but also their number. We have to draw the same numbers of animals here, show. वही भाई same number of animals जिसने देखे थे, हम उनको ही draw करते थे, and it was very tedious exercise. In most language, counting and numbering from 1 to 10 was common, right? So many believe that early men fingers came in very hardly to tell number of the sky. This made him count very easily, and this way of counting first evolved in India. Even the concept of zero was born in India. So the use of zero for different purpose was a difficult task. From here, the concept of number traveled to the Arab world, right? So name these numbers Hinduza, which meant India. As Arab traveled to Europe and other parts of the world, what they carried? They carried along with them what? Concept of Hinduza. ये international numerals है, जो किस पे based होते हैं? Indian system, right? Now the art of writing took many centuries for a perfect for different people around the world. Books were compiled and written by hands. तो books उनको compile करा जाता था, hand से लिखा जाता था. But because these books were curious to learn and had to spend a lot of time and center of learn, where alone such books were available. जहाँ पे वाली जो सारी books क्या थी? Available. So we can say that lot of time we learned from books. The men came across with a brilliant idea of printing. Printing was first developed. When it was first developed in China, but it could not get popularity for the possible reason that the Chinese script was very difficult. John Gutenberg of Germany made the first printing press and printed the first book. That is the Holy Book, Bible. But the Bible was not printed on paper. वो कहाँ printed थी? Sheep जो होती थी उसके skin पे, right? On the skin of sheep. For this purpose, hundreds of alphabets were made to lead. The world were set in wooden frames to make lines followed by a full page. Ink had to be applied. Ink apply करनी पड़ती थी and pressed by hands on a piece of smooth surface. So as the time passed, man progressed. So the quality of printing also improved gradually. The time and the cost of the printing proved by be a landmark in the method of preserving and spreading knowledge. What happened? This become necessary as a demand for book increase. जरूरी हो गया कि क्या हुआ था, डिमांड जो थी बुक की वो इंक्रीज हो रही थी. Printing proved to be the landmark in the method of preserving and spreading knowledge. And it was made easily possible to pass knowledge from the forthcoming generation. Right? So the story of paper. The story of paper dates before world printing. The paper was made very differently in various parts of the world. Men made use of many things in order to print, or the skin of birch tree, right? And leaves of the palm tree. It was used to print on. Copper plates were used to write. But जो Egypt था, that was the first paper of this kind was developed and made. So जो river Nile थी, which is in the Egypt, had its delta a reed called papyrus. और जो river था reed का, वो हम peel करते थे, and they were then placed very close to each other both the ways. So left to right and top to bottom so as form a net. The net was then pressed to convert into paper. और इससे क्या होता है, पेपरस. जो पेपर वर्ड है वो ऑरिजिनेट होता है. The demand of paper increased rapidly. जैसे जैसे आपने देखा होगा प्रिंटिंग प्रेस का इन्वेंशन हुआ, जो डिमांड थी पेपर की इंक्रीज हुई एंड पेपर वाज मेड आउट वुड पल्प. So extraction and you can see that paper is also made from bagaces, leftover sugarcane, extraction of juices. In order to save our environment, use of recycled paper is encouraged. This means that used paper is again converted into reusable paper. जिसको आप यूज करो पेपर को, आप उसको दोबारा से reusable paper में convert कर सकते, right? So a script and the books for the blind. You can read because you can see with your eyes, but you have thought how blind read. So there is a special script for this, unfortunately, that is Braille script. So यहाँ पे dots feel करते हैं, इनको हम Braille कहते हैं. With practice, these people can read these books. Next is literacy and progress. देखो आप today आज के टाइम में अगर देखें हम बहुत competition है. So man has progressed in numerous fields. He has gained great knowledge. The knowledge is got through literacy, and literacy is the key of growing knowledge. In order to gain knowledge, अगर आपको knowledge gain करनी है, it is essential to be literate. बस जरूरी है आपको literate होना है. If country has to progress, its people have to literate and knowledgeable. Advanced country have percent rate of literacy. This means that everyone living in an educated and literate. In India, majority of people are illiterate. Literacy so what? The progress and the development of the country. वो progress बता रहा है और क्या क्या development हो रहा है उसके बारे में बता. We must always remember that literacy and poverty are related to each other. People who are illiterate are poor and they cannot stand shoulder to shoulder with those जो क्या है educated, and we can see that there is nothing greater than knowledge. If we talk of the today's time, knowledge से ज़्यादा बड़ा कुछ नहीं, right? So you should study daily, right, and gain knowledge. From where do you get? So now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.